So today, I want to look at we want to look at the sum if function. We want to look at the sum if function. So the sum if they have we have two sets of the sum if functions. We have two sets of the sum if function. So we have that one. Then we have another one, the sum if. The sum if. So they do perform the same function, but with different functionalities. So the other one ni kama ni plural ama tunasema yeah. The other one it has a limited it has the limited application, but the other one you can perform more than one criteria. This one will allow you to get one criteria, but this one you can get more than one criteria. Now, so this sum if is the one which will give you a certain report. Maybe you are doing an analysis of a certain market or a certain customers or a certain sales rep. This one can give you a good report. For example, you want to get the summaries of a sales. We want to know what the unit results and the sales value. So maybe you want a report of sales persons here with units and the units and the sales. So what do? You copy this and remove the duplicates. So shift control to page down. Let me click copy this one. Let's put here so that you put here. So you say to press control shift page down, and then so we will select the entire sales rep. Once you select the entire sales rep, put here, remove the duplicates. We are up to this point, we know how to remove the duplicates. We know how to remove the duplicates. We go to data and then remove duplicates from continue with the current selection and then remove. Okay. So these are the only sales rep we have. Given all this data, these are the only sales rep we have. So we need to get the number of units they have sold and the corresponding sales value they have sold. So we will use the sum if function. So I will come here and say equals sum if. So they will ask you the range. The range. So the range in this case is where we are looking at. The range, it is from the sales rep, which is column D. So that is our range, and it is recommendable you locked your column. We said we use F4 to lock the column. So I will lock that and then put a comma. It will ask you the criteria here. So the criteria is this one, sales rep, individual sales rep. So these are our criteria, and then comma, it will ask you the sum range. The sum range is the unit. So the sum range is the unit. The sum range is the unit. The sum range is the unit. So we want to copy this one. This one we will not fix the entire column because we want to copy the formula across. So what do we do with this? We put the dollar sign in the middle. put here. Or just let's lock it. There's no way. So you can see they will give you the total. So you will get the total summary here, which is this is 2. These are units. 229.24. These are the units. So before we proceed to get the sales, we need to confirm whether this is correct or Excel is lying to us. So we need to confirm. We will go here, Control Shift page down. Let's get to the total here, Alt equals sign. Get to the total. You can see the total here is 29.44. So Excel is not lying here. So that is the actual values. And then so you can see within a minute unakuwa umepata your summary. And then come to the sales. We will use the same formula. So we'll repeat the same formula, the sum if, the same, it will be the range. We lock that. No, we lock this. So once you lock that, it will ask you the criteria, which is this one, still that one, comma. Now in this case, we need sales. So we will click the column of sales, lock that again, and then hit the enter. So the sales will be that. Sales should be with thousands. So you put this one, double click, copy, Control R to copy the formula. And you can see within minutes, you can be able to get the report. Within minutes, you can be able to get the report. So this is the summary of the report. This is the summary of the report, which when presenting this report, you can also present using the charts. You can also present using the charts. Ventura, I know you know, but let me assume you don't know. So to present using the charts, you just select this, go to the insert, and then insert the recommended. You can use the recommended charts here. You can put the charts here. You can reduce this one or resize it a bit small to fit our data here. So you can remove these grids by going to here and then remove the grid lines. You can put the let me click copy. You can put the data labels here. Data labels will have a lot of so you can see. So that one can give you a good summary of the report. So, but only it is for the sum. So if you want to go to know the cost of sales, if you want to know the cost of sales, also you will come here, because this one can give you the summary profit if you have the profit or loss. So you can also get the cost of sales. You can also get the cost of sales. You can also get the cost of sales. Sum if the range, locked that, comma, put that, and then we need cost of sales now in this case. Lock that, enter. Hashtag name, or this should not be 4. It should be F4. And then get that sum, Control R. So you can see that sum will be able to give you a summarized report. It will be able to give you a summarized report. So now you realize you have given out this report. You have given out this report, but now they will tell you, can I know this guy has a salt, who is the highest hapa ni nani? Akona 17. Ham akona 17. So anayekwambia, can I get to know this bam sold to which region and they sold which product? So they will ask you another one. Can I know the breakdown? I need the breakdown of this person, which they will ask you, give me the product that person ameuza hizo, and then your product, give me the regions, and the sales, and also the sales. Here now we need to reason how the report, how will we arrange the report in this case? They need a breakdown of this guy, the product, the region, and the sales values.
Okay.
How will we approach? Yes?
They need the breakdown of farm.
Yes, they need the highest one, which is this one.
So about the product we have, we have that card, sunshine. Then
yes, these are the product we have. We have the sunshine, sunset, all these products. So you find that this person unapata ameuza hizi products zote. So tunataka kuangalia the movement of the product and also ni ameuza side gani.
So yes, itabidi tutaiweka in transpose form.
Yes, so we want first to develop that report format. And then now we see which formula are we going to use. So will we arrange the region downward and product across? So that could be better.
Yes, no problem. It will.
Yes. In this case, because you have to think about, those are some of the questions or the reports these directors they normally need. So in this case, we will get the product on the top here. We'll have the product here, or we can have product going downwards. We can have products going downwards here, and then we have the region here, which so we'll have now to copy the product here, Control C, come here, paste that product, or let's start with this. Don't copy the entire Control page down, Control C. Let's put the product here. Let's remove the duplicates, Control page down. Go to data, remove the duplicates. So these are the only product we have, right? Now, this product, we need also the region. So I will copy this, paste here. No, so I have to copy from this side. Control page, shift page down, Control C, paste here, and then remove the duplicate also. Once we remove the duplicates, let's do a transpose, copy this, or cut that, come here, say Control Alt V, Control, or we can copy, Control C, Control Alt V, do a transpose. So we have a transpose now there. We have a transpose. Now, so these are the, maybe we can say put the region here and then put this one as a product here. Put the product, and then the one for the person. This is the person they want their product. So they want this kind of a report. So all of these, we will get the totals this could be the total sales value, because we want to see the breakdown of 17,492.
Okay.
So in this case, the first formula will not help us, but the second formula is the one which will help us, because the second sum, if it has more than one criteria, so we will use that one. So we will come here, say equals to the sum if with S. So the sum range, this one now, the sum range comes before. The other one, the sum range was coming last. This one now come first. So we'll have to sum the sales. So we'll set our sum range will be our sales. Locked that, F4, comma, and then it asks you your criteria 1. So our criteria 1, we can go by the product, right?
Yes.
Let's go with the product. So we will say, yeah, you will say product, that is our first criteria, will be product, or the first criteria range, locked that, comma. The second, the criteria ya kwanza is this one, which mean tungetoa hii product iko hapa, so that our formula can't work very well. So you will know these are the product, so we will paste here. Undo. Let's see. Okay, let's undo it. Let's see if it will work. Sum if the sum range is the sales, locked that, comma, and then the first criteria is the product, locked that, comma. This is the criteria kwanza. What do? You start with $1, so that we will lock only the row, but the column will remain changing. And then to put a comma, it will ask you the second criteria range. So the second criteria range, in this case, we use the second criteria range. Let's use the region. So we'll come to the region, locked that again, comma. The second criteria is that region, but in this case, we want this region so that it will be moving to the west, midwest, south, and east. So we will make sure that the dollar, it is in the middle. So we leave the dollar in the middle, and then comma. The third criteria range, in this case are the sales rep. The third criteria range are the sales rep, locked that, comma, and the criteria range is palm. And we need to lock this. We need to lock this palm. So we will lock that one with $2 signs. Hit the enter. Can see. Let's see if we will get the summary. Right click, Control R. There. Copy paste downward. Let's get the sum per the total per product, and also total per regions. So since it is the sales, you will put this. So you'll get the sum of this. Control R. Let's get the total per product, which will be sum of this. Sum of this, and then drag it. So that could be the total value here. Add this, because this one will give us the total value, which you are getting 17. Put your borders. Is it easy? So you can see Excel can do analysis very fast, right?
Yes.
Yes, so you can easily give the breakdown of this 17 443. So you will give this breakdown. So you can see there is a region which there is no sales at all. So maybe they need to do a aggressive marketing on that region, or they have to change the strategy they are using. So you can see. So with this kind, you can so you can do analysis for all the product. Maybe there is a product, maybe you want to discontinue product from certain region. So if you realize this product, or we can't do the analysis of all this, because we will just copy pasting the formula. So let's copy this, come here, paste this product, paste the product. You can see Excel, that is the best. What did I do? Oh, undo. So what we do, we can copy all of this so that we can analyze for each and every product, so that we can see ni gani ina perform or ni gani jauzwa in all the regions. So what you will do, you will copy this and then paste it here. You change the name. Instead of this person, change here, and you will realize hizi cha change kwani hazina formulas. Oh, we have to be changing. We change that one. We have to be changing. We change this one, we should be able to get the same results. You can see this one. We don't have the last. We have all of them. That one is on. It is repeating the JJ. This one. We should not fix this one. We should change that one. And let's undo. Hit the enter, undo. So you can see this one is referring to this, which is not, it is not that one. So it should be, we will only need to change this place and then lock that place, hit the enter. You can see that one will give you 19, which I'm guessing it is not true. That one should give you it's still referring. Oh, this one, you should control R and then from here double click downward. Yes, so we should be able to get that 7. So you can see this product haijauzwa kwa Midwest na South. The same case here haijauzwa hapo. So you can easily discontinue that product, because sometime kuna product yenye uko nazo but utapata they are not of any benefits. Let's see another product here. So you'll come here, copy the Smith or the sales rep. The sales rep here is a Smith. Maybe Smith aliuza nyingi mahali. So come here, change this, and then fixed also. Smith sasa kuuza kila mahali. Oh, so you can see, you cannot say I will discontinue that product, because in this one, your product imekupea profit of amekupea profit of 70, amekupea sales revenue of 1700. So this one is 11. Smith. Yes, it should be 11, that one. So you can get the breakdown. Once you have gotten one formula, you just copy paste the data and they will repeat, and you will get the report, the summary. So you will get the summary, and also you get you have the breakdown. You also have the breakdown. So which sometime we do we do present this one in a dashboard. Najua maybe tunaweza kosa time ya kupata dashboard, but I want to be introducing it a bit so that you can be able to start developing. So such kind of a report you can present using the dashboard. Dashboard is where you combine all the reports, right?
Yes.
So ni mahali una combine all the reports. So utakuja new worksheet. So utakuja new worksheet and then click at the top at the corner, and then you can color. You can decide to color with this one is better. So once you color, you will get your Excel itakuwa colored. So what you do, you can copy this, the summary. You copy the summary and come here, paste the summary here, even though we are not getting the values. So maybe you don't want to get with the formulas. You are certain with your formulas. So what you will only do is Control-Alt-V and paste the values. So paste the values, you will see that one. And then you can decide this one to put that color, you can see. So, and then you will also come here and say a summary report. Summary report, and then from that summary report, you can come here now and put the breakdown. So utakuja hapa, also you copy this, Control C, come here, Control-Alt-V, paste the values, and then also put that one. Then you change this color a bit so that you will know these are different sales representative. So utapata, you arrange all of them here. So now you are presenting now a report in a dashboard, so that they don't need to have to explain. Don't need to explain the breakdown, because also you can't use the charts to put this one here. Utapata you'll have a good breakdown, which tumesema charts, tunaenda kwa insert, then to use a recommended, we use that one, and then you will come here and place the charts here. So you make sure that you resize a bit with the same, and then you can rename this one, say sales report per sales rep or salespersons, per salesperson, and then can even bold. So you can see Excel can be able to give you a nice report, and be able to give you a nice report. So that is how to one of the function of application of a Sumif is to get the summary of a data, summaries of a data. Now, another one of use of Sumif is to get to identify the variance, Maybe you are working on something, but you realize there are a lot of variants, or to do reconciliation. So we will go to that element of getting the reconciliation. So we will go to, so let me get the data first.